This toy is truly magical. You will require an empty cardboard matchbox, a long needle and two colors of thread almost 60 centimeters long. First, remove the cover from the matchbox. Then take a long needle and poke it diagonally and weave the pink wool. Then weave this needle diagonally and weave the green wool. Both the pink and the green wool would be crisscrossed to each other. Then tie knots on both the ends of the wool and trim the knots. Finally, fix the outer cover on the drawer of the matchbox and then stretch both the ends of the wool. Ask a friend to gently slide the matchbox from the left to the right and right to the left, and you'd be surprised to see that the color of the wool magically changes. The pink becomes green and the green becomes pink. Isn't this great fun?